Welcome back to the series of National Parks of India. In this video, we will cover the national parks of the state of Rajasthan. Rajasthan has 5 national parks. Okay, so the first one is the Ranthambore National Park. It lies in the eastern part of Rajasthan in Karauli and Sabai Madhopur districts at the junction of Aravalli and the Vindhya mountain ranges. This national park was derived its name from the Ranthambore fort located inside this park on the 700 feet tall hill. It is believed that it was built in the year of 1944 AD by the Chauhan rulers. Initially, it was a tiger reserve declared in the year of 1973 and then it became a national park in the year of 1980. The hug tree is the most common in this national park. This tree is capable of withstanding long periods of droughts. That's why it is also known as flames of forest, as it is one of the many flowering plants that adds color to the dry summers of Rajasthan. This park is a home to a good population of leopards. Hyenas, jackals, blackbucks, chinkaras, cheetahs, sambhars, nilgai and macaques are some other fauna found here. Now the second national park is the Sariska National Park. It is located in the Aravalli Hills and forms a part of Alwar district of Rajasthan. It has 3 designations. It is a wildlife sanctuary, a tiger reserve and a national park declared in the year of 1955, 1973 and 1992 respectively. As this national park is located in the Aravalli range, so it is rich in mineral resources, especially copper. However, the Supreme Court of India has banned the mining activities in this region. This national park is famous for its Bengal tigers, but there was a time when tiger population became zero in around 2005. So efforts were made to reintroduce tigers in this park. 1 male tiger and 2 female tigresses were reintroduced to this park from the nearby Ranthambore National Park. As a result, now there are plenty of tigers in this park. Leopards, sambar deer, cheetal, hyenas, jackals, etc. are some important species found here. Now the third one is the Mukundra Hills National Park. This national park is also known as Daraha National Park. The word Darha is a local word which literally means mountain pass. So this national park is a pass between 2 parallel mountains, Mukundra and Gagrola. It is located very close to the city of Kota. This park also has 3 designations. It is a wildlife sanctuary, a national park and a tiger reserve, declared in the year of 1955, 2004 and 2013 respectively. Kali Sindh river forms the eastern boundary and the river Chambal forms the western boundary of this park. This national park has very few tigers. Leopards, cheetal, sambar deers, chinkaras, etc. are some other species commonly found here. Now the fourth one is the Keoladeo National Park. This national park is formerly known as Bharatpur Bird Sanctuary, as it lies in the Bharatpur district of Rajasthan and an important bird area. It was declared as a bird sanctuary in the year of 1956. Different species from far-flung areas and countries like Afghanistan, Turkmenistan, Siberia and China visit this bird sanctuary for breeding, as it is considered as one of the world's most important breeding areas for birds. One of the most famous bird species that visit here in the winter season is the critically endangered Siberian crane. It was designated a wetland site of international importance under the Ramsar Convention in the year of 1981. Then it was declared as a national park in the year of 1982. And finally it was listed as a World Heritage Site by UNESCO in the year of 1985. Cranes, pelicans, eagles, flycatchers, falcons, jackals, nilgai, hyenas, porcupines, etc. are some important species of this national park. Okay, finally the last national park of Rajasthan is the Desert National Park. So before we begin with the details of the national park, I would like to show you that this whole region is known as Great Indian Desert or the Thar Desert. but the Desert National Park lies in this region only. It is one of the largest national parks of India and spreads over 1900 square kilometers in Jaisalmer and about 1262 kilometer squares in Barmer district of Rajasthan. The total area of this national park is about 3162 square kilometers. The Thar Desert receives very low rainfall, less than 100 millimeters. So it is very hot and arid region. Although this desert is one of the most populated deserts in the world. The Great Indian Bustard is a magnificent bird and can be seen in considerably good numbers in this park. The endangered white-winged vultures and long-billed gyps are also found here. The Desert National Park is the only place where Rajasthan's state bird, the Great Indian Bustard, the state animal, Chinkara, the state tree, Khejri, and the state flower, Rohida are found naturally. Okay, so these were all the 5 national parks of Rajasthan. I hope you found this video helpful. If you liked it, please consider subscribing and I'll see you in the next one.